Take a deep breath in through your nose, like you're filling your tummy with air. Then breathe out through your mouth. Move your feet all the way up and all the way down. Push your knee down firmly into the bed, hold for 5 seconds, and then relax. Squeeze your buttocks together, hold for 5 seconds, and then relax. Gently push your knee down towards the bed. Use your hands for added pressure. Bend your hip and knee up as far as comfortable. Push your knee down into the towel and try lift your heel off the bed. Hold for 5 seconds and lower down slowly. Straighten your leg and lift it up off the bed. Hold for 5 seconds and lower down slowly. This is a difficult exercise and not everybody can do this immediately after their knee surgery. Lie on your back with your knees bent. Squeeze your bottom and lift it up as high as you can. Then slowly lower back down. Lift your leg and straighten your knee. Hold for 5 seconds and then slowly lower. Bend your knee as far as you can. Use your other leg to assist. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Bend your knee as far as you can. Then shuffle your bottom forwards, but be sure to keep your foot still. In supported standing, bend your hips and your knees as if you're sitting down to a chair. Then slowly straighten back up again.